Sasa mimi wacha niwaambie, umemaliza? Endelea. Mimi yangu nataka niharibu.
Haribu. Acha Ben Paul aseme alafu haribu.
Haribu bwana.
Wewe ni feminist. What
Mimi I am an ally of the movement.
Sawa.
I support feminism.
Not
the people.
Wa mama wa feminism.
Okay. 1 2 3 4. Hao wote wanawadanganya juu wanatafuta wasichana.
Niko na demo.
Hata Manchester United ina De Gea na tumefungwa bao 51. Yes sir. Charisma
na kichwa bigi.
Oya. Jeru hapa.
Manze huyu Otis mimi siku moja tu nitampiga bara ingie huko mbele.
Misare.
Kichwa ni kubwa.
Misare.
Jiguna.
Mulumulwas.
Ana manzi. Cancel Otis.
Bobo here.
The only man with that
Connecting bit. Atari fire.
5G+ network. Kindly tell us your height with that connecting beer.
Yeah.
Tena chini.
Haya imetosha.
Kama wewe.
Tosha.
Hata sisi tunaenda next time tuleta DJ Shiti kwa hiyo tukue na watu wawili wako na
connecting. Lakini ile ni Sahara ile.
Adui mtanionea kwa big screen.
So guys, our discussion today wants to center on something a few of us are passionate about.
All of us.
No. Let us be clear. A few of us are
in one or another.
Many compassionate in the negative side.
So we want to discuss men and feminism, and we are going to look at it from these perspectives.
No.
First, can a man be a feminist, or can a man only be an ally to the movement? Secondly, what are the parameters within which a man can support feminism?
Kabla tuendelee, sijui kama mnaona shati yangu imeandikwa she's mine.
Masculinity is not fragile. Tumejitambua.
I'm going to start by taking very short and precise. Yes, no, then we get into the discussion.
Can a man be a
Can
feminist?
a man be a feminist, Bob?
Yes, a man can be a feminist.
I think so.
No, a man cannot be a feminist.
Tupa, huko. Hata usiongelele huko. No, a man cannot be a feminist. Never.
It depends.
On what?
Kia huyu.
Short answer.
Sawa, short answer.
You'll explain.
Yeah.
So, from my perspective, I think a man cannot be a feminist, but a man can be an ally of feminism.
Correct.
Okay,
You
question.
see, my problem is people say that a man cannot be a feminist. Why do you say a man cannot be a feminist?
Because of what feminism is.
Bob, you're telling us something.
Position yako.
Mimi kwa nasema I'm a feminist, but I can't stand radical feminist. Sasa ni kati mbaya and wanasemanga wanakwanga na ujinga
Bob,
sana.
lakini sisi tunapiga vita na wewe. Umeniacha kwa mataa.
No, nimepiga vita na wewe. Nilipiga vita na wewe last year and then I saw the light.
Ni light ama ni njaa?
Wewe bana.
Sasa mimi wacha niwaambie, umemaliza? Endelea. Mimi yangu nataka niharibu.
Haribu.
Acha Ben Paul aseme alafu haribu.
Haribu bana.
Wewe ni feminist. What
Mimi I am an ally of the movement.
Sawa.
I support feminism.
Wewe tunajua.
Sawa.
Not
the people.
Wa mama wa feminism.
Okay. 1 2 3 4. Hao wote wanawadanganya juu wanatafuta wasichana.
Niko na demo.
Hata Manchester United ina De Gea na tumefungwa bao 51. Let me tell you something. I actually believe in women empowerment. I feel like I can rally lakini hiyo term feminism vitu nimeona social media no,
you see hata nikwambie shida.
Otis no.
Shida nimenotice.
Shida yenyewe wawili wewe. you are denouncing a whole ideology
based on people.
based on people.
Based on
Hao ndo watu wanafuata.
Hiyo ni kitu very
But the people who carry it are the problem.
Mbona hata in elections huko unasema ati NASA ni mbaya juu kuna watu wanarusha mawe.
Mimi nilisema hivyo.
Kwenda tulikuwa na group moja
entire ideology
I'm not denouncing the entire ideology. Let me just take you on your word. Your issue was radical feminism.
But not refer to myself as a feminist.
That is the part of feminism that you have an issue with.
Yes.
Radical feminism. For me, I said I'm a supporter of feminism, the movement. But there are aspects. I used the term on my own
Actually,
terms. There are things about feminism that don't make sense to me. I'm not going to spend an entire day sharing probably a hashtag or something that I feel is stupidity. It's not going to bring an impact.
In fact, most
you
of
see,
them
you look
are.
at issues like an entire category of feminists wanting to make man spreading their idea. It's like they never sat in any biology classes and knew what heat does to balls and stuff like that. That's not the part of feminism I'm going to take feminists on. If you're talking about real empowerment to the woman folk, I'm only in...
That's still the same. I think you're still saying the same thing.
Okay, but
what I'm
naweza
thinking
sema
is
kitu kabla
what I'm
uende.
thinking is Misare take yake of which anaenda wrong
Ben Paul wewe ni supporter.
anataka ikuwe so pragmatic that anataka
Ben
kuona
anataka
kuona udem alisaidika hivi na feminism na udem alisaidika
That is the only thing
listen
that
to
we
me,
need.
relax.
We don't need you to tell us how my
right
spreading
now
is bad.
ngoja right now
My
sanitary
masculinity
pads.
and how fragile
Relax.
it is. Leave that to me and my
Tulia.
boys. We'll talk about it.
Relax. Sahi kitu ka sanitary pads.
Na msikize ngoma zangu bado.
Saizi ko zero rated. Unacheki? Hiyo ni an effect of some feminists. Unaona? Zero rating sanitary pads.
yes.
Zilikuwa zinataxiwa same na cosmetics, ka lipstick. Saizi ko zero rated. Sababu ya nini? Kuna feminists behind that. Sai kama ile Meru 140 girls case ni sababu ya FIDA. Those are feminists behind it. Sindio?
Unajua kile uelewi ni.
Let me give you an example.
You are being
I've told
elitist
you,
about this,
I've
Ben
told
Paul.
you, I'm not
Unawachana na
a
watu
feminist,
tuna relate nao.
Nakupatia actual
Watu
stats.
tuna interact na
Hawa watu tunapiga nao kelele online daily. Make impact gani?
Can I
that's what I'm telling you. You can't denounce a whole ideology.
Okay.
Because of some few
I agree.
girls online
I agree.
who are misguided.
I actually thank.
I will denounce the ideology.
Bro.
I will denounce
just a minute,
humanity.
just a
I will
minute.
denounce the
Just a
universe.
minute, yeah. Actually hapo by the acha nikubali correction. Hiyo shit na make sense. Hatuwezi sema kitu ni mbaya juu ya elements
I
fulani.
told you guys you are making assumptions. Mimi
Ngoja.
sijasema ni mbaya. Mimi siwezi associate nayo.
Kwani mimi sina mdomo na mimi ni kubwa?
Si unakuanga studio.
Kichwa nashinda hata mdomo na mnanifanyaje? So nasema I agree with that. Okay, so for me I think the issue I have with feminism is there's a lot of people out here who spread a skewed feminism nye na au ndo allowed vizi. Acha nikwambie kitu. Msha notice kwa soko wale wenda wazimu ndo wanakuanga
Mimi si mwenda wazimu.
For sure.
Simaanishi wewe ni msame true. Na maanisha the people who when you wanatupote because the loudest feminists in Kenya are those who don't understand feminism.
Those holding the banner for feminism are not really feminists.
Legit feminists. Unaget?
Mimi
nishaika chini na dem fulani nikamwambia simple question guys. Nikamwambia hebu ni define feminism. My guys, chick doesn't know what feminism is.
So you go and
unacheki indo shida generation wasa na following kitu juni cool, juni fad. Kwa sababu iko na clout, kwa sababu kila mtu atafeel umse ni feminist kwa sababu inakupea attraction. Wasana gona hiki kitu kwa sababu inakupatia a certain type of hype. Ndio maana utapata wasichana fulani wanatukana na unajua utiza hata nyinyi mnajua jamaa hata back down hataenda kwenda.
Kwanza nachekanga nikiwa kindozi kikuja mimi nacheka.
One thing I feel ni that si lazima useme when you are of the movement, when you feminist. It is your actions at the end of the day that count. You see, for example, hawezi sema ati Africans wako freedom fighters sababu wako wanaelewa independence nini. Walikuwa wanajua the concept.
Walienda world
for
war.
Example, unaweza sema au support feminist lakini we see how you treat the family members that are female in your life.
Tumeona leave alone if family members but Ben Paul
Let me just cut you short. One of the problems I've had, this might be a bit personal but I'm going to say it anyway. with the madam. The issue was I'm very nice to the ladies I know. And I tell myself, why would I be nice to somebody I do not know? I'd treat you with the respect as a human being but the courtesies I can only extend to people I know. Yeah?
Sorry, to pick
So
from
the thing
there.
is, it's not about respecting I respect every person by virtue of them being a human being.
Exactly.
But then it takes something extra for me to extend to you certain courtesies, right?
Because you
And
see,
that's
Ben
one of
Paul,
them is knowing
just
you.
like you've said, personally, Mimi, I will treat you well, not because you are a woman and reparation and all this crap that you want to rub on my face, but I will treat you well because of you first being a human being and being deserving of that.
Lakini you know why you're being a hypocrite.
Ngoja kiasi juu
I'm
hata
not being a hypocrite.
Acha
You know why
nikwambie
you're
kitu.
being a
Ngoja
hypocrite.
kiasi.
Ngoja.
Kiasi. And I think hata manze nikiendelea ku have discussion na realize more and more labda tuko na aspects of feminism zenye atu realize.
Zenye ndo maana nakwambia
Ngoja,
Otis is
kiasi,
being
Otis,
hypocritical.
acha nikuexplain.
For example,
Acha niku-
ngoja
Ben,
Fidel,
Ben,
dakika
just a
tu
minute.
moja then you go on.
Utaendelea.
Ni kitu tu
Sawa,
moja.
sawa.
Like go to his post, just his Facebook post. Angalia what he wrote like 2 days ago about the mom.
Yes.
And about how Ali beat all these societal structures na aka make it out in this world. That is feminism, my friend.
How is it
Hiyo ni
feminism?
feminism.
No, unacheki
Hiyo ni
Otis.
equal, hiyo ni
Otis.
social,
Otis.
economic and
No, unacheki
political.
hiyo by
It's
definition.
humanity.
By definition, sikia,
Fidel,
Otis.
tulia, acha ni respond alafu
Ndio,
endelee.
shida yenu
Mimi kitu
mnapiganga
moja
tu
tu ndo
kelele.
staki. Unajua ukishaanza ku identify na hizi mavitu za feminism na hizi vitu zingine, these people set standards for you and all
Let me
this
tell you
shit.
the problem.
And even a way
No,
we
no, let me tell you
expect
the
you to
standards.
have
You know what
no.
your problem is?
I
Let me tell
have
you.
been.
Let me tell you.
Skizeni,
You know what your
skizeni,
problem
guys.
is? Your problem is you've weaponized the term feminism itself. Unacheki yenye sasa unaona ni kama like msee akitetea dem ama msee akisema hiyo jina feminism.
Sikutetea dem.
It's something it evokes out of you.
The
Yenye
term
mpaka
feminism
now you want to
triggers
substitute
you.
it.
You have a
It
problem
triggers
with
you.
nomenclature.
Now you want to.
I have
you want
a
to
problem
substitute
with
it honor.
beta toxic
The etymology
feminism.
of the word.
Triggers you to a point.
Okay, Fidel.
It triggers you to a point where like now at how you want to substitute it with humanity.
Acha ni speak
Be
from
a
a
good
person.
human being.
Acha ni speak from a person, a point of msee mwenye amekuwa penye Otis ako. Juu hata mimi niko hivyo. Chenye nimelan by definition of chenye msee anasema. In all honesty, if we're talking about humanity also supports feminism because if we're going to stand for equity, that's what feminism is basically looking for. Acha nao toxic feminists. Feminism ni about kutafuta equity. Na hiyo ni humanity. Guys, ngoja.
Wacha Fidel tu amani.
Tafadhali sipendi hiyo unaget by definition that's what we're saying. So I think what I'm getting about me and Otis is our issue is not actually with feminism.
Exactly.
It is with toxic feminism.
Guys,
It is with
let me
bitter-
ask
Ugly.
let me just ask from those who are non-allies of the movement, Ben and
Bob ni shifty. Huyu ako shifter wao.
let
Huyu
me
akiwa
ask
na
you,
njaa.
do you
Kisha na
think
nini?
there is any persons among feminists who can be called toxic feminists?
Do you think?
Do you think there are feminists who can be branded toxic feminists?
I think I said that there.
I think toxic
There is-
traits are
there
in
is-
every
Admit
person.
now.
Regardless of the
But
cause
it-
you're supporting ama the thing you're doing, there's a toxic person in
Elements
every
in
space,
every-
you know.
yeah.
Hata kwa friends kuna toxic friends.
Hata mimi
Hata kwa
nikisupport-
family kuna toxic
Unakumbuka ile
relatives.
day ukiongea about my
Guys,
guys.
just an adjective, unaona. There are some things that these people they say ama they do in the name of feminism, and to them they believe it's feminism, and like they are really trying to empower the woman, but they are doing it in a wrong way,
In a selfish way.
Guys,
in a
And
selfish
let
way,
me
and
ask
that
you,
is toxic.
just kidogo tu njugush na kupatia time.
Wakavinye.
Kuna ujinga. Naitwa Njugush na
I want to
mwili ya
ask again.
Wakavinye.
Okay, tutalenga hiyo baby now you have to
no, you are cancelled. You are cancelled.
I wanted to ask hata mfanye swali
Yeah.
napotea. In the same spirit, we are talking of this. What Bob has mentioned that they are trying to empower women but going about it wrongly. There's one dictum I've always held. You see, where the way feminists want to delve about, they go about talking on and on about masculinity and fragile masculinity. I always tell myself that a person who has no masculine qualities is not the best person to define for me what masculinity is. Is it possible that as men, like we were just saying, the people, is it possible that men can know, because there's this perspective the feminists have always held, which also made me develop that argument, that as a man,
You can't.
you don't have a womb, so you shouldn't talk even about abortion and stuff. as a man, you don't know the struggles you have. You have male. No, let me just finish.
those
You
people are
have
confused.
male privilege, yeah? So you should not talk. You cannot tell them how they should go about their feminism. So in return, I was saying you cannot tell us not to tell you how to go about feminism. Yet you want to lecture us about masculinity
and how fragile it is.
Where do you draw the line on this?
But unajua
Mimi what I think no ngoja
correct.
there's something Bob said
As in, unaona hizi vitu zote Misara ameuliza is asked everything I've ever addressed. Unaona
Exactly.
hizi vitu za ati people say the pro-choice people,
Yes.
they say ati a man should not be consulted nini. I actually, for me usema man should as in at least consult. Unaona as in kila kitu yenye umesema saizi, it's everything that I've ever called out. That's why I say
That's a while.
mimi feminist, like I support the cause,
But you
there
do
is a-
what to support. You don't
I
just
choose
jump
what
onto
to
every.
support.
Okay.
So, exactly.
Well,
Probably.
chief feminist in chief.
about I
Wamama
actually
wa
saw what
feminist.
Bob was saying about kuna time tulikuwa tunaargue na guys about the pro-choice pro-life debate and then Bob pointed it out correctly. Alisema like a man's opinion is important. You know, it's his child. Hawezi sema ana opinion before the child is born, lakini when the child is born unataka tena akuwe responsible. So hizi ni vitu ni kama what you've said, when women come out and talk about toxic masculinity, the same way you cannot tell them that they are not supposed to tell you about it sababu they don't have balls. You see, sababu the same way they are affected by
Your
toxic,
actions.
yes, your actions.
Sasa Ben
So
Paul, mimi
they should be
nikuulize
able to
swali.
call you
But
out.
wewe ni
Nikuulize
rational
swali.
about
Guys,
it. Hiyo ndo tofauti.
I would like to speak sometime this year.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Sasa,
Mulwasi. Wakavi
but okay, me when it comes to the issue of toxic and radical feminism, I look at it from two angles. How genuine is this person? And also, I also try and empathize with their side of the story and see why this person has been pushed to that corner. Kuna mtu unaweza pata life imemgonga, wanaume wamemwonyesha mambo.
Nah, bro.
Amepita
It's not an excuse
check
to be
check.
trash.
Nobody has said it's an excuse, but I'm saying it can contribute for them to be there. Then there is of course there are some who are not genuine, as Misari said, kuna watu wako busy
Can I mention
wanatafuta pesa. Don't mention names, man.
Bro, unajisikia mimi support.
We don't have a legal department.
No, it's true. No, we are all of us. We are an entire legal department. With one communication section.
Lakini wenyewe watu wako wenyewe hata you can mention names, it's fine. Kama my MPs si waliitwa na hata gender bill hata kufikisha
What is the name of
au
these
utawaita nini?
No,
Don't go there.
Some of us have vested interests. We will not allow you to go there.
Then also
yangu ajali.
Hapana, sasa unajua hapo
Endelea,
kuna
Josh.
wenye hapana tusimame.
so me point yangu ni simple
Yeah.
in every struggle, because for us we might not see feminism as a struggle. For the women who have genuine intentions with feminism, there's always there are always two sides. There are the conservatives and those who want to be a bit radical. Hata Mau, while Mau were fighting the forest, there was a group who thought they could achieve things through negotiation on the negotiating table. So for them, the end justifies the means. The end justifies the means. So if we look at it from that type of because for me the labels toxic and radical,
Josh.
to some extent you might find there are some
Josh,
well
can
meaning
I tell you
radical
something?
is
Josh, can I tell you something?
Is
Just
radical
listen.
Josh.
Maybe I'm going
Radical
to
is not the same as toxic.
Yeah.
radical
Yeah,
is
I know. Toxic is about traits.
Radical
Yeah.
tu ni ya
Radical.
it's a strand.
Two-third rule equal 50-50.
Yeah, now
And we don't want anything but 50-50. And we don't care
And I
what
don't think that's a problem, though.
radical is acceptable to me. To me, radical is
Me,
not a
toxic
problem.
no issue.
Toxic is the
your
issue. Toxic is the issue.
You
For me, I have a
can be
problem with
radical.
radicals because they are not practical.
Yeah.
Exactly.
What do you mean they're not practical? Siondo alilida.
You can't wake up
this
one
is what
morning
happens.
and decide that you want 50-50.
Do you know what
They
I
didn't
think?
wake up one morning.
Bro,
It's
do you know
what
what I
they
think?
stand for.
It's even radical people
Equality
who
on
give us
there can be no equality on
You
the
know the
ballot.
question.
You know, no. Listen, ngoja. There's something I want us to
unafeel kama any country in the world will gain their independence from being reasonable.
Yes.
But you guys.
So let us ask one question all round. Listen. Number one, nataka tukue na vitu mbili. One is equality, another one is equity.
Yes.
Sawa. Equality ni 50-50.
50-50.
Yes.
Sawa. Equality ni dem akipata mi nimepata, unaona? Equity ni wanaangalia situation. For example, mtoto wa Uhuru Ngina Kenyatta anaweza enda pate affirmative action, mimi Ben wa Githurai nisipate kitu kaa hiyo. On the premise that yeye alizaliwa akiwa dem, mimi ni boy. But is that fair at the end of the day? No, it is not. Sababu yako born in privilege. So that's the thing that mostly guys like Fidel are saying about toxic and radical. You can be radical. You can be radical. You can be radical and achieve something that benefits the movement. That is my point.
I have to agree.
No, but see, Ben Paul, you see, in as much as you can be radical and do something that helps a movement, be rational about it. Even people who fought for independence, what were they fighting for?
Were they rational?
Miss then walikuwa rational.
Unataka kuniambia walikuwa rational?
Waende Ulaya.
You know how many home guards were killed?
Uhuru.
No, do you know how many home guards were killed? Ukisema
walikuwa tu radical.
Walikuwa radical because of one mouth.
People
One thing we're ignoring.
were radical, to be honest.
Check, guys.
It was for the good of all of us. But look at the end of it. These people who are not determined in this radical thing, they've messed up.
You know your time walikuwa na terrorists.
Rob, Ben. There's one thing I want us all to address, which we've not talked about during the whole episode, and is our own personal opinions. Because there's something I've noted in the whole conversation. Tunamaliza nayo. So, according to you guys, do you feel that we deserve to be on equal terms with women?
Yes or no?
Just yes or no. With a bit of rationality behind.
Of course.
Acha mimi nianze. Yes.
Me and
Simple,
yes. Simple.
Equal in what?
Equal terms.
In terms of opportunity, nini.
Yes.
For me, it is impractical.
I'd say yes, but if you say today, it's impractical.
No.
I'm saying the
question
ultimate
is
goal.
ultimately.
Ultimately,
The ultimate goal, yes.
but
So
right now,
easy.
Right now, it's
Atuongei about ati.
but you see, radicals want it right now.
No, it's not a radical. It's not
There was
what
that push. There was that push to have 50% of women.
They want it right now.
They
But
wanted it right
When
now.
what happens?
Let me tell you,
Let me tell you,
for now, we
feminism
vote
ends.
for men, not because there's a law saying this number of men should be in parliament. They go out there and campaign. There are women like Matakarua Charitingilu, Phoebe Asio, women who went out against the men and beat them. If you want to have a 50%, sit down, caucus as women, see what strategy you're going to employ to have women elected.
You see now,
We can't
politics in democratic
society.
society.
I think swali ya Josh ni simple. Ultimately, do we think what's our position? What's the position? Should men have equal? And I think equal, opportunities. Kama ni kuemploy job, si ati dem ananyimwa job kwa sababu kuna point atapata mimba, alafu apotee ya matanga.
Let me give you an example as to why I'm saying it is impractical. Yeah. A lady would be given a 50% chance with a guy, even in an interview. But look, when it comes to something like salary bargaining, because it's even that is a form of discrimination against them, right? You have to bargain your own salary.
40 seconds. Yes, no.
No, it is impractical.
No. Yes, no.
At the end, yes.
40 seconds. Yes, no. Yes.
It's already there.
Yes, no.
It's there.
Yes.
Where?
Yes, no.
Yes.
That's the end of our episode. Thank you so
Let
much.
us know what you think.
Subscribe.
Everything, subscribe, like this video. We really need your sentiments on this.
Mani wimbo za charisma.
Nitoke kwa umaskini.
Leave this now.